Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play some Roblox. Fun fact, outside is night and 99 nights in the forest. Don't get it? Fine. Whoa, I thought this guy was being Dooley for a sec. People are just going for one by Roblox. I'm gonna make my own. Just gonna make it 3. Yes, join noobs. My noobs must join. Bro only has 6. Oh, easily. I wanted to play with the person that has 0 nights. But looks like we have to play with someone else. Gangsta futera criminalera. What? You saw that, right? Man. So I'm gonna get some bunny feet for both of us. Easy kill. You saw that, guys. These are easy kills. I have so bad Wi-Fi that they literally doing this. Okay, sprints. I'm getting us some food. Alright, bro. Wait. A bunny feet. I'm saving this one for mine. That is my bunny foot. Yo. I don't like when they run away from you. Okay, bro. Bro, let me make a tree base. When bro dies, I don't even... Oh, I forgot the ice is melting event is here. Bruh, you can't. Okay, I got some food for us. He doesn't. If bro eats all the food, yeah, eat, bro. Yes, thank you. You know this little cave? It's where bunny spawns. Look, any day now. Any day. Bunnies, do you even like to spawn for me if you really like me? You know what? That's it. I'm literally gonna make some little awesome wood. And I've literally plans. Thank you for working. I'm not scared of some night. Ooh, cool? What? It's only day 1. Bruh. Bro, this is so useful. I better use my speed. What is bro doing? Bro is gonna make us lose. I came in clutch. Oh no, he's gonna steal my bunny feet. Whew. That was a close one. I'm not afraid of some deer. I'll scare him away. Bro, I bet bro's gonna scare that deer away. Good. Hey. Gangsta futera criminalera. Gangsta futera criminalera. Bro, don't take my sapling. It's literally my important. Bro's actually learning the game. Like right now. Making layer by layer tree burst. I'll make a wide entrance. Bro is staying at the campfire doing nothing. The bro. Eat this carrots. Carrots. Oh, some bunnies. Oh, carrots first. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, one carrot. Dang. Wait, I actually wanna give pretend. I don't need some fruit. Take yum 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 yum. Yum yum. Eat, bro. Eat, bro. Yum. Oh, he ate it. Good. Oh, bro needs a bunny's feet. Oh yes. Oh yes. Bro, I felt bad for bro, so I'm gonna give him a bunny feet. What is bro trying to do? Oh, he wants the bunny feet? Okay, he wants the bunny feet. Come here, bunny. Come here. I don't want to use my sprints. Bro. Let's see. I'm gonna literally, you know what, I'm gonna leave this one by the pouch trader so he knows where to give, who to give. Yeah, so I'll take a good axe. If you really don't like me. Yeah, I think I'll save the Dino Kid. Oh, the volcanic biome. Wait, let me eat a berry real quick. This will help a lot. Eat. If you really don't love me. Oh, cool. This will be good for campfire. I found a lot of fuel. I'm finding, oh, more coal? More coal? Oh. Okay. Go. Now I'm gonna give this to the bacon, to the newbie. Oh, bro, chillax. Oh, heck nah. Oh, a wolf pet. I need to give this to him real quick. Bro hasn't even used, bro, whatever. He almost left. Forget about it. I'll save the kid next day. Yeah. So scared. I think the deer clapped him. Bro, I hope the deer is hurt when it happens again. Last time I didn't know what even was happening, but now I know what to do. Oh, I forgot to drop the coal. Oh, this helps such a lot. is bro following me and try to kill me? Okay. Wait, you saw that, guys. Level 6, 7. Cut all the trees down. Bro doesn't know how to play the game. He's only going... You know what? Since I have a lot of weapons, I feel like saving the first kid. Until next level. Man, so close. Okay. La Thanksgiving combinación. La Thanksgiving prestige combination. Bro can't even kill. I literally killed it for him. Okay, level 4. Yes, now let's save this kid. No. Yes. This kid has nothing on me. Where is he? Okay, he's all the... Wait, it said where again? It said that way, right? Guys, help me. Oh, yes, thank you. Oh. Oh, I need some food. Guys, I'm actually the proest player that I'm playing with. Bro. Oh, no, I'm not gonna summon the cultist king. He's too... Guys, guess what? We've only been putting wood in the campfire. Okay, put some in the grinder. Yes, can you? Yes. Can you lose? Oh, night is approaching. I'll save the deer. Wait, what? Save the deer? Save the kid tomorrow. Because, yeah. Bro, that was so good. Eat! Bro doesn't want to eat. Bro, eat! Bro, I don't even have bandages. Eat, bro! Where's the deer? Deer, show me. Did I accidentally put the... Whatever. Bro. What the... What? Don't show again? Thank goodness. Bro, I'm gonna use him as campfire fuel. Shh. Why is it not letting me? You know what? I'm just gonna leave the game. At this point, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Wait. I want to join some players. You see, join any player free. These ones are scam. I've tried this. I'm gonna use it on my friends actually. Where's that Z? Where's that? Z. Hey, I said, Z. Hey. Okay, I'm just gonna type in like Roomy. What is it? It's definitely gonna wake. Roomy. What? I don't even know now. I have $500 in cash? What the? Join player. Yes. I wanna play a game, but I already played the game. I have to wait 3 minutes. Guess what, bro? We slapped each other. Bro, stop! He's gonna use it on me. Not, bro, completely missed. Me too, bro. You see, it's not free at all. Boy, come at me. I'm not afraid of you. Oh. Bro, I was joking. No, I know what he looks like. So, true. Kill player. Kick. Man, I want to kill this player. Man, set on fire. Man, all this called it. This is literally me. Stop. I'm gonna pull. Yeah, how you like that, buddy? You see how not fun it is to slap others? Yeah, now you see. Oh, I think it's ready. Bros, FAK. Boom. Jeep, go reload. What's a million reload? Bro, try to slap me. No. Whatever. Nope. Oh, oh. Come here, come here. How? Okay. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Do 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 do. 21. Guys, I don't even know what I'm doing here anymore. Guys, I think I'll end the video after one more game, and then the video's over. One more video, one more time, and the video is over. Been playing the game since and not talk to you guys. Oh, guys. What? What the? Here's
6-1 phase 2.
Yeah, like that. Oh, that's not it. Oh, is that an ice cube? That's what you're made of? Oh, I'm gonna go kill it after I kill you.
6-1 phase 3.
6-1. Look. Oh, that's your brother. I'm so oopsie, sorry. Die. Everybody die. I wanna defeat the boss in the last world. You don't know what boss I'm I'm not talking about this guy. I can take him out one fight. But this guy, no. Look, oh, he's actually doing some work. Oh, oh, I'm low on health. Thank you for clapping my. Somebody killed him? Oh, I thought somebody killed him. Bro, he literally regains health while I lose health. Okay, that's how much damage I do. No one. Wait, I wanna fight. I'm gonna help out guy. Boy, level up. Zebra. Pralini, watermelon zebra. Zebralini, zebra. Boar. Games like this make me drive crazy. I'm gonna take everything away, boy. Bro can't defeat this, can't defeat his brother, can't defeat this. Not even the final boss. The boss is mine. Yes, now go to my next world. Yep. Really sick. Guys. Just need 2 more gems. And then it's over. And then it's over for it. And then I get the damage upgrade.
6-1 monster.
Yes, I can finally buy this. What? It gave me no gems? Not even a single gem. Bruh. They didn't even give me not even a single gem. Finally, thank you. This literally took me so long. Booster activated. Oh, hell yes. Heck yeah. Oh, let me claim my free crate. Oh yes, 5,000. Oh, level 11 XP. I have to touch the ground.
6-1 phase 3.
Yeah. Bro, at this point I'm just gonna 6-1 face monster. If I had some Robux, I would literally use it wisely. 1 billion wisely. Guys, after this tree breaks, no, this pine, the video is ending. Today's video was really long. I'm never doing this again. So guys, I hope you had fun. That's all the games I'm gonna play for today. Bro gonna die, bruh. What? They literally do like almost no damage. Mate. Oh, let me use some pets. Some pets from this world. Pets. No, pets. Pets. Equip the best. Yes, thank you. Now, wait, did I one-shot him? I think so. I one-shotted him. Let me see. It's not showing me. Oh, doesn't a one-shot? It's a 2-shot? Bro, that's so overpowered.